Hello, Wiesel. As a big fan of mini armored vehicles, I won't miss this type of tankette. Today we are going to build this Wiesel MK20 from the AFV Club model. It's an unfinished project. I don't recall why I posed from the kit. Sometimes you lose your passion. Sometimes you regain your strength. It happens, c'est la vie. Let's see. It's 70% assembled, and it's cool to be reboot. As always, I try to upgrade any rubber tracks once there are suitable products. I bought 3D printing tracks in this case. All in all, besides the rubber components, it's a cool kit. And I need to mention that the metal barrel and the ammunition belt are not included in the box. To protect the metal parts, Mr. Hobby's primer R is capable of the mission. You could dilute it and airbrush it to have a flatter layer. I prefer to brush it directly for convenience. A black and white layer is my favorite way to initiate the painting process. By completing this step, the model becomes delicious. The final destination is a classical tricolor NATO camouflage. This type of camouflage is actually quite random, not unified at all. So I will apply it without gobbling and reference. A lighter green layer to show small details on the surface. Meanwhile, I will make the coat more dynamic. Pick up the brush and put on the proper coat for the unpainted elements. Modern vehicles contain less chipping than the pre-Cold War ones. I didn't do the research, but I assume that it's because of the improvement of paint's quality and the improvement of military logistics. Apply a dust coat on the chassis. A simple black wash as a background effect for the weathering process. Use different brown tone enamel paint to diverse the dust mud marks on the bottom of the chassis. Adjust the final result with Tamiya X20. Approaching the end, I adjust and unify the whole tongue, especially for the running gears. Finally, the cherry on the cake, the metal antenna. Voila, that's it. A Wiesel of ISAF. Probably I'm going to build a diorama for it. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, subscribe, forward, or just watch the video. Any kind of interaction will be a great help on the channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.